Hey everyone, welcome back to SyntaxSpace. Today we're tackling a question that every beginner in web development has asked. What's the difference between front-end and back-end? Don't worry, I'll keep it super simple and clear. And by the end of this video, you'll never mix them up again. Let's jump right in. Imagine you walk into a restaurant. The front end is like the dining area. What you see, the menu, the lights, the seating, the design. The back end? That's the kitchen, where the real cooking happens, where all the orders are processed, but you don't directly see it. Front end is everything the user interacts with, like buttons, text, colors, and layout. Back end is the behind-the-scenes system that makes sure when you click that button, the right data comes back to you. So what does front-end actually use? Mainly three core technologies: HTML for structure, CSS for styling, JavaScript for interactivity. Think of front-end as the face of the website or app. When you type something in a login form, that box, the button, the design, it's all front-end. But when you hit login, that's when back-end joins the party. The back-end is like the brain and engine combined. It uses languages like Python, Java, PHP, or Node.js, and it talks to databases using MySQL or MongoDB to store and fetch information. So, in our login example, you type your username and password on the front end, backend checks the database, makes sure your details are correct, and then sends the response back to the front end, maybe a success message or an error. Neither front end nor backend can survive alone. They're like Batman and Robin. Front-end makes it look good, back-end makes it work. Together, they create the full experience of a website or app. That's why when people say full-stack developer, it means someone who handles both sides. Quick recap. Front-end is what you see and interact with. Back-end is what happens behind the scenes with data and servers. Together, they complete web application. That's front-end and back-end in the simplest way possible. If this video helped clear up the front-end and back-end confusion, do me a favor, hit that like button so more learners can find it. And if you want more beginner-friendly coding explainers, subscribe to SyntaxSpace and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.